is MrBeast? Donaldson, aka MrBeast, was born in Wichita, Kansas on May 7, 1998. The YouTuber first joined the platform in February 2012, age 13. His earlier videos focused on video game footage and estimated net worths of fellow YouTube stars. He later found viral fame when a video of him counting to 100,000 made waves across YouTube after taking 40 hours to complete. MrBeast soon joined a competition for PewDiePie to become the most subscribed channel on YouTube. Flash forward to 2022, MrBeast is now one of the most viewed and highest paid creators on YouTube. He has since hired many of his childhood friends to help him grow his brand with a team of approximately 60 people. He has donated over 100 cars, hosted a private island giveaway, and handed out over 100 PS4s. He even gave away $1 million, 819,600 pounds, in a single video. Make sure to watch till the end as we answer how much money the YouTube star made last year. What is MrBeast's top viewed YouTube video? MrBeast's most watched video of all time is his 456,000 Squid Game in real life, which garnered an impressive 277.1 million views. One lucky winner took home $456,000, 341,000 pounds, after winning all the challenges in a recreation of the Netflix mega hit TV series Squid Game. All of this begs the question, how does MrBeast actually make so much money that he has so much to donate and give away? But before we answer that question, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more similar content. While the success of YouTuber MrBeast cannot be taken lightly, fans and followers have questioned how he makes money and how much he really earns. MrBeast isn't just a famous YouTuber, but also a viral philanthropist, known for his stunt videos and large monetary giveaways. As his Twitter bio states, "I want to make the world a better place before I die." The 24-year-old pioneered a content genre focused on expensive stunts, challenges, and donations. The more popular he gets, the more money he gives away. The YouTube star documented his live reaction to hitting the milestone on a YouTube stream, where he thanked everyone for their support. In his first major act of philanthropy, MrBeast donated $10,000 to a homeless man. Anyone who follows MrBeast on YouTube and other social media knows that he has to earn a lot of money to sustain the kind of videos he makes. Most of his videos see the star either creating larger-than-life sets or spending a lot of big bucks for challenges. The strategy works wonders for him, as on average his videos rake up over 30 to 40 million views each. According to a report in The Verge, like any other YouTuber, MrBeast is a part of the platform's partner program. Hence, he definitely makes some big bucks from AdSense. As is the case with most YouTubers, MrBeast's AdSense revenue depends on the number of views his videos garner, and the CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions. In one of his 2018 videos entitled "How I Gave Away $1 Million," the 23-year-old explained how brand deals helped him donate a lot of money in his videos, which then go on to garner more and more views. Over the years, the star has also created supporting YouTube channels like MrBeast Shorts, MrBeast Gaming, Beast Reacts, MrBeast 2, and also Beast Philanthropy. These channels provide his fans with bonus and BTS content while adding to his revenue. Lastly, MrBeast is also huge on Twitch. Although he isn't very active on the platform, he has a huge following, which adds to his income as well. According to the Celebrity Net Worth portal, MrBeast's net worth is approximately $25 million. According to his Social Blade, he currently makes close to $1 million from ad revenues alone. The money he makes from brand deals still remains up to fans, I guess. Although he was making videos on YouTube since his preteen years, he became a viral sensation with his 2017 video counting to 100,000. He spent 44 hours counting up to 100,000. The video has 24 million views right now. Some of his other viral videos from his early days see him saying Logan Paul 100,000 times and watching Jake Paul's music video It's Everyday Bro on repeat for 10 hours straight. MrBeast's real-life recreation of Squid Game included some of the TV series' most important sections, including the red light, green light game. As a twist, the players had a mechanism attached to their suits that would explode and stain their shirts when they get eliminated. The show's chilling tug-of-war segment was recreated with foam underneath to make sure the contestants weren't injured. So, how much did MrBeast make in 2021 alone? MrBeast was declared by Forbes as the highest-earning YouTuber of 2021. He earned as much as $54 million from various income sources such as advertising and sponsorship contracts, as well as products such as clothing and video games. But unlike other YouTubers who have been satisfied with social media success, Mr. Donaldson wants more. "I really want to be Elon one day," he wrote last year on Twitter, referring to Elon Musk, the chief executive of Tesla and SpaceX and one of the world's richest people. Mr. Donaldson later listed Mr. Musk as his dream collaborator. That was all from us today. If you are a MrBeast fan, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to the channel for more. Stay tuned.